On July 10, 1963, President John F. Kennedy held a meeting with leaders of American railroad companies and operating unions and convinced them to delay a railroad strike.
The White House is the scene of frenzied activity as government leaders meet with representatives of management and labor to avert a nationwide railroad strike. Just 8 hours before the deadline, an agreement is made that postpones the walkout until a panel can report on the situation and Congress can study legislation. The railroads seek to abolish jobs they say are obsolete. The unions say they are not. Mr. Kennedy makes the announcement.
After consultation with the congressional leaders, I am asking the parties to withhold any rules, change, or strike notice until July 29th to permit appropriate consideration of this matter with the understanding that no further such request for a continuance will be made by this administration. The railroads and the unions have accepted this proposal, and there will be no strike this evening.